So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into USD Coin here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up on this bottom bar between my offers and rewards, press on cash out. Once you're here, if you were to go to the bottom and just slide to see different cryptos, you actually can't find USD Coin. It's not listed here. So instead you have to go to the top, go to stake right here and find USDC or USD coin, which for me right here is at the bottom. USDC, go ahead and press that. Now once you're here, you can do this through stake.com. So type in your username, check the amount, you'll see the amount of USDC you'll be receiving. And if all looks good to you, press withdraw at the bottom and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money into USD coin here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.